The future of facial recognition, what lies ahead? Isn't it cool that humans have made significant advancements in developing facial recognition software that can easily identify individuals in a crowd, yet the vending machine at work still struggles to recognize a dollar bill with a bent corner? Facial technology is becoming increasingly prevalent, and did you know that the chances of a random person unlocking your iPhone via FaceID are less than 1 in 1 million? Also, 8 in 10 countries now use facial recognition technology in their banks. If you think that facial technology's usefulness only stops at helping you unlock your phone, then keep watching this video as we help you discover some other cool ways facial recognition technology is being used. In this video, we will delve into how facial recognition technology is changing the banking experience, revolutionizing urban cities and healthcare, and even surprisingly, the Major League Baseball. Are there threats to this technology? What lies ahead? Let's find out. The adoption of facial recognition technology by various governments is growing rapidly, with 7 out of 10 governments incorporating this technology on a large scale. It's not even surprising that Facebook has developed deep face technology, which can determine with over 97% accuracy whether 2 photographed faces belong to the same person. As it turns out, also, 97% of US airports are expected to implement facial recognition technology by the end of 2023. Following a successful experiment, Orlando International Airport was selected as the first airport in the nation to employ facial recognition for screening all international travelers. It takes less than 2 seconds to analyze a face, and the system boasts a remarkable 99% accuracy rate. The current trajectory of facial recognition technology appears promising, with much more on the horizon. Facial recognition is the process of identifying or verifying a person's identity by analyzing their facial features. It involves capturing, analyzing, and comparing patterns based on facial details. The face detection process is crucial for locating and detecting human faces in images and videos. The face capture process converts analog information, a face, into digital data or vectors based on the person's facial characteristics. The face match process is used to confirm whether 2 faces belong to the same individual. The adoption of facial recognition technology has been extensive, making a significant impact across various sectors and industries. Here are some areas where facial detection is simplifying processes and delivering substantial benefits. Banking. When considering physical security in the banking industry, the first thought might be about preventing bank robberies. However, banks and financial institutions have a broader range of concerns. They need to safeguard not only against external threats, but also protect their employees, branches, customers, and the servers storing customers' personal data. Biometric technologies are gaining prominence in the financial services sector, contributing to public safety and enhancing physical security. For instance, banks are increasingly employing facial recognition to authenticate a customer's identity during online banking transactions. Biometrics are already streamlining microfinancing, and India's Unique Identification Authority, WIDA, is set to implement face recognition for security and know your customer (KYC) purposes in banks. Face authentication can simplify the security checks involved in mobile banking. Furthermore, ATM networks can proactively identify potential threats by detecting specific individuals and restrict their access to ATMs. Video analytics software enables the analysis of footage from theft incidents, including identifying the culprits' faces. Banks can then upload a digital image of the suspect's face to the surveillance system's watch list. When a similar face attempts to use an ATM, the machine can deny access and notify the authorities. Facial recognition technology is revolutionizing the banking industry by enhancing security measures, streamlining customer authentication, and improving overall safety for both financial institutions and their clients. But it doesn't just end in banks. You will be amazed to see how some cities are adopting this technology to make their cities smart. Face detection in smart cities are heralded as the future of connectivity and digital innovation. In the United Kingdom, regions across the country are actively embracing smart city initiatives and investing in the necessary infrastructure to bring this vision to life. While we've already witnessed extensive deployments of facial recognition technology in airports to enhance safety and expedite passenger boarding, The use of this technology is poised to expand significantly. It will offer citizens seamless and impactful experiences within the urban environment, particularly in the area of mobility. A network of face detection CCTV cameras can serve as a safeguard for smart cities. This CCTV network is capable of detecting threats, identifying individuals who litter in public areas, and providing access control for parking lots, parks, and other public spaces. So next time you are tempted to litter in that lonely park thinking no one is watching, don't do it. While these are the primary objectives, facial recognition can also enhance security at public events. China has taken the lead in the global deployment of facial recognition technology, boasting 170 million video surveillance cameras, with an additional 400 million expected to be installed in the next 3 years. Many of these cameras are equipped with artificial intelligence, AI, and facial recognition capabilities. In 2017, China filed for over 900 facial recognition patents, in stark contrast to the 96 patents registered in the United States. China subsequently announced that more than 60 of its airports had been equipped with facial recognition technology. But it doesn't end there. Beijing Normal University has implemented a facial recognition security system in its campus quarters, employing it to identify students before granting them access. Also, Singapore recently revealed plans to activate facial recognition technology across more than 100,000 lampposts to aid authorities in identifying and recognizing individuals within crowds across the city-state. Facial recognition will also prove to be an invaluable tool for revitalizing and enhancing the nighttime economy. For instance, an integrated facial recognition system deployed in a nightclub setting will enable attendees to use their biometric data as their identification instead of physical IDs. This biometric verification can authenticate age and serve as a payment method, streamlining entry into venues, reducing queues, and ensuring you get your drink orders faster than you can spell the word fast. And if you're a sport fan, then this technology is also coming to make life easier for you there too. Facial recognition at sporting events. Your face is your ticket, proclaims the motto of the AI startup Wicket. Another vendor, Alcatraz AI, asserts, your face is your credential. These companies specialize in providing facial recognition technology to sports stadiums across the nation. In 2022, Citi Field, the home of the Mets, partnered with Wicket to install facial recognition ticket kiosks at all stadium entrances. The previous year, BMO Stadium, home to the Los Angeles Football Club, adopted Alcatraz AI technology. Facial recognition has played a significant role in major sporting events such as the FIFA World Cup in 2014, the Rio Olympics, and also the Tokyo Olympics. Its application spans various aspects, including security and ticketing, and continues to rapidly evolve, reshaping security protocols. In cases where facial analysis is not employed at entrances, this technology enables the scanning of stands or crowds to swiftly identify individuals on a blacklist. When combined with high-quality video surveillance cameras, this approach allows real-time analysis of all faces and triggers alerts if unauthorized individuals or individuals exhibiting undesirable behavior are detected on the premises. Furthermore, when integrated with video management software, VMS, it becomes possible to analyze multiple video feeds after the event at speeds much faster than real-time. This capability facilitates a rapid and thorough forensic analysis, ensuring efficient post-event review and security assessment. However, despite the numerous apparent applications of this technology, facial recognition technology has also raised significant ethical concerns over the years. Data privacy. One of the primary concerns among the general public is data privacy, largely stemming from a lack of transparency in how information is stored and managed. Facial recognition encroaches upon individuals' inherent right to avoid continuous government surveillance and retain control over their images without their consent. In 2020, the European Commission took a step to address these concerns by banning facial recognition technology in public spaces for up to 5 years. The aim was to revise their legal framework and establish guidelines focusing on privacy and preventing ethical abuses. But it doesn't just end in data privacy issues. Mass surveillance. When combined with pervasive cameras and data analytics, facial recognition leads to mass surveillance, potentially jeopardizing citizens' freedom and privacy rights. While facial recognition technology aids governments in law enforcement by tracking down criminals, it also compromises the fundamental privacy rights of ordinary and innocent individuals. Recently, the European Commission received an open letter from 51 organizations advocating for a complete ban on all facial recognition tools used for mass surveillance. Additionally, Additionally, more than 43,000 European citizens signed a Reclaim Your Face petition, demanding a ban on biometric mass surveillance practices within the EU. These recent developments have highlighted the ethical concerns surrounding facial recognition technology, particularly in light of the unscrupulous use of artificial intelligence, AI, to manipulate and threaten individuals, government agencies, and collective democracy. Despite these challenges and potential threats, the ongoing advancements in this technology, including developments like facial emotion recognition, continue to present promising possibilities. Facial emotion recognition, whether from real-time or static images, involves the process of utilizing image processing software to map facial expressions and identify emotions such as joy, anger, sadness, surprise, fear, disgust, or even compound emotions like a combination of sadness and anger displayed on a human face. Cool, right? Also in healthcare, significant strides have been made in this field. Thanks to the integration of deep learning and facial analysis, it is now possible to achieve several critical objectives, including improved tracking of a patient's medication usage for greater accuracy and easy detection of genetic conditions, such as Di-George syndrome, with an impressive success rate of 96.6%. Facial recognition technology is also assisting in pain management procedures to improve patient well-being. The field of face recognition systems continues to advance consistently. According to a recent report by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, there have been substantial improvements in recognition accuracy over the past 5 years, 2013 to 2018, surpassing the progress made during the 2010 to 2013 period. In 2018, most facial recognition algorithms outperformed the most accurate algorithm from late 2013. In NIST's 2018 evaluation, only 0.2% of searches in a database containing 26.6 million photos failed to produce a correct match, a significant improvement from the 4% failure rate observed in 2014. Also, NIST's test done in 2020 demonstrated that the best facial identification algorithm achieved an astonishingly low error rate of 0.08%, which translates to less than 1 error for every 1,000 images. These developments signify the remarkable progress being made in the field of facial recognition technology. And for now, we can only sit back and see how this technology changes the way we interact with each other. Be sure to check out the video over here.